we've been doing this for 18 years. So we saw it, how it evolved, no? From a small bridal fair we had at the SM Mall 18 years ago. We only had 28 exhibitors that time, to more than 100, 103, 105 exhibitors this year. So nakita natin kung gaano lumaki yung industry. So we have new players now. This fair now is a combination of new players and mga established wedding suppliers, so giving our soon-to-be brides and grooms options not to choose. That's the reason why we organize this event.
Dito makikita nyo lahat ng gusto nyong makuhang discounts at lahat ng mga designers, giveaways, lahat from the biggest to the smallest suppliers na gusto nyong makita.
Maganda po siyang venue, sir, for us to showcase our products, our creativity, and also nakakatulong din siya sa mga future brides and grooms na mag-wedding, because here they can avail a lot of discounts and freebies habang ongoing yung bridal fair.
Nagpunta kami sa ganitong wedding fair kasi one-stop shop na siya, and para makapag-prepare din kami sa wedding, to scout suppliers. Ayun, kasi nandito na lahat so we can just go around.